Alright, so we're back on the Bluenose. Gonna cut a little bit of core here. We determined the whole bow area is pretty rotten, so it should cut fairly easily. And slice that out and get to moving her out. Safety first, of course. Yeah, she's pretty bad, eh? I'll buzz around the rest of her, get that skin taken off, and we'll see how many square feet we need. With the skin pulled off at the front here, we can see she's fairly rotten. So we need new core. It had balsa before, we'll probably use it again. Lightweight. You glass it in and seal it in nice. It's effective, light and strong. Just really need to caulk any of the hardware that you place on there. I think we're going to replace half a section at a time just to maintain a little bit of the shape of the upper deck here. We don't want it going completely flat or it won't fit the hull.